Hi everyone and welcome back to another Trading 212 ISA portfolio update. It's been around a month since I did my last portfolio update, so I thought now would be the good time to show you how I'm doing, any changes that have happened in the last month or so in the portfolio, and just going into any details about certain stocks. So as you can see, the portfolio currently stands at £2,891.58. I am filming this while the market is open, so any fluctuations you may see while this is happening, so on prices of stocks and the portfolio in general. So up 4% overall in the last day. I'm up around 2% in the last 24 hours since Monday the 27th of September. Last week I've gone from being breaking even pretty much, up 0.29% to up 4.07%. Then in the month, it's a bit hard to tell in the month, as because I did take a chunk of cash out and put it into some cryptocurrency, so you can't really get a key understanding of how much actually I'm up. So now we're getting to the first stock on the list, which is Apple, ticker symbol AAPL. We can see I'm currently up £134.35 or 14.37%. Apple have been a really good stock for me in the last 3 months. Up 6.79% still, but as we can see, the little dip off at the end there, they did reach the $155 mark, $156, but since then took a bit of a drop down. So we can see in the last month they are actually down 3.14%, but this is probably classed as a little dip for Apple and a great chance to probably scoop up more shares, which I personally would do with this stock. Again, still in the green, holding very strong. Again, this is just a minor blip for Apple. We had the iPhone and I think it was the Apple Watch 7 series was released a couple of weeks ago. So they do, sometimes they just tend to have a drop after something like that's been announced. But I do think based off the previous 3 months, we'll see the one, just a little blip, and we'll see the 156 mark again soon. So I have 10 shares and my average cost is £93 or $128.36. And this is definitely a stock, as I've said before, I'll be holding in the long term. So that is the first stock on the list, which is Apple. The next stock in my portfolio is a one which has been a bit annoying, but this is why you've got to hold for the long term and have diamond hands. It is Bionano Genomics, ticker symbol BNGO. Again, they've had quite a good week this week. You can see a few ups and downs. Overall, they're up 3.67% in the week. But today, it's not a good day so far, down 3.05%. So I own almost 168 shares and I'm down 14.26%. Average cost on this stock is £4.60, or $6.40. This is one I do tend to hold for the next 5, 10, 15 years. I do think it is a colossal stock and will have a great future with the Sapphire system and everything they're doing over at Bionano. I definitely consider checking them out on Twitter and doing your own research on this company. So it does have predictions to get to $15 within the next year. As we see, it did actually get to that high in February 2021, but then obviously not crashing, but since then it's sort of more consolidated around the $5, $6 mark. But I do believe we'll see them heights once again. So at the moment I am down, but again, this is just a great chance to buy more at a discounted price as far as I'm concerned. So that's your next stock, which is Bionano Genomics. And then the final stock, very short portfolio now, which is Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. Again, in the last month, these have had a great last month, up almost 10%. Again, they've had a bit of a dip on the day today. We did reach they reached the high of I think it was yesterday. They reached almost $800, and they've not been $800 since February 2021. So a good 6-7 months ago since they reached that height. So I did expect them to drop a little bit today after reaching them heights yesterday. So 1.61% of the day. As I said, the market is still open at this point, so things could change yet. They could end up being up by the time I finish this video. But again, I'm still up now, finally in the green, £85 or 8%. And I have 2 shares in Tesla at the moment. Again, a price prediction of Cathie Wood at ARK Invest has been given $3,000, and I've seen a few other predictions saying this stock, obviously electric cars, big in the future. If you want to check out my Tesla video or go more in depth about the stock and what's been happening, I'll link that if you want to check that out. So that is technically it for the portfolio update today, guys. You can see I have only, since the last update, I did have around 3,500, but I withdrew £500 and put it into my Coinbase app, using it for cryptocurrency. I wanted to have a bit more diversification and try and focus a bit more money into these growth 3 stocks and try and grow them, as well as having it in some cryptocurrency. I will be doing that update shortly in that portfolio, but not quite yet. I'm just going to stick to my stock ones for a while and just build my crypto up slowly. I did actually sell 2 stocks as well, which was AbbVie and IBM, to move that money then into the crypto. So yeah, that is pretty much it for my video today, guys. Let me know what you think of my trading 212 ISA, whether you have any of these stocks or whether you're planning on getting more. I'd be really interested to know. Don't forget to smash a like on the video as well as a thumbs up. So on that note, I'm going to leave it to you today. Take care. Bye.